fellow Iranians, have you ever heard about the term rationalism? If not, let us define what is rationalism. Rationalism is the idea that the reason is the primary source of knowledge. Rationalists believe that certain truths, such as mathematical or philosophical principles, can be known through intellectual insights or deduction, rather than through observation or experimentation.
Good day, everyone. Today we'll be knowing the concept of religious rationalism, the role of reason to the knowledge of religious activities and beliefs. So, what is religious rationalism? Religious rationalism challenges traditions based only on faith or belief by claiming that human reason is the fundamental source of information regarding the spiritual and morality. It challenges people to think about what they believe critically and to use logical analysis to find understanding. Religious rationalism encourages a more systematic that includes approach to spirituality by asking us to think about our ideas through their own perspective of reason. It helps us to make sense of our faith in using reason and develops a deeper interpretation of religion.
What is ethical rationalism? It is a philosophical judgment known as ethical rationalism, focuses on reason as the main source of moral ethics and ethical judgment.
As it discussed earlier, ethical claims that moral truths may be known by reason. Immanuel Kant said, "The moral law is the law which gives to observers." Kant stated the role that autonomy plays in moral reasoning, stating that moral law must be established by rational people how to our logic using their own reasoning.
His ideas have made a huge impact on modern ethical philosophy and are still important resources of reference in moral debates. In political rationalism, it aims to create political systems that are more inclusive and reflective of shared human values. The philosophical method, known as political rationalism is a branch of philosophy that places a strong priority on the use of logic, the reason of development and support of political ideas, regulation, and practices.
What does practical rationalism means? Practical rationalism is the processing of information in a more detailed way through reasoning. Unlike theoretical rationalism that concludes new understanding based on already known knowledge, it is our desire to take action or the reason that will motivate us to take actions to gain more knowledge. Practical rationalism encourages people to interact with the outside world and seek out knowledge that can improve their daily lives by encouraging them to adopt reasoning as a tool for action and decision making. Critical rationalism. Critical rationalism plays a role in the search for knowledge according to the philosophy of critical rationalism, which was established by Karl Popper, the theory of falsifiability, which holds that an idea can't be considered scientific unless it can be tested and possibly criticized. Critical rationalism encourages actively challenging and questioning assertions about knowledge, rather than aiming to affirm existing ideas. The theory suggested that knowledge is a work in progress, formed by a continuous process of beliefs, which allows for a dynamic understanding and scientific progress.
Scientific rationalism is a philosophical approach that asserts reason and empirical evidence as the primary means of understanding and explaining the natural world. It combines logical thinking with scientific methods such as observation, experimentation, and analysis to gain knowledge.
Next, we have epistemological rationalism. Epistemological rationalism. This is the kind of inquiry into the nature, source, and limits of human knowledge. Often it is opposed to other possible sources of knowledge such as faith, tradition, or experience by the senses. The last one is mathematical rationalism. Mathematical rationalism is the mathematical approach to reason most conducive to the nature of working of the mind. The approach also includes studies of nature of mathematical truth, mathematical proof, mathematical evidence, and mathematical practice and mathematical explanation.
René Descartes, 1596 to 1650. René Descartes is a French 17th century philosopher and is famous for saying, "I think, therefore I am." The thing that makes him stand out is that when many philosophers is using appeals to God to back up their arguments, Descartes had more trust in human logic and nothing more. He also believed that everything that is wrong with our world was caused by the misuse of our mind by confusing ourselves and our bad comprehension. Baruch Spinoza, 1632 to 1677. Baruch Spinoza is a Dutch 17th century philosopher who tried to change religion, making it move away from being based on superstition. Spinoza believed that God is the universe, its laws, the God is the reason and the truth. God is everything that can exist and can exist. According to Spinoza, he stated that whatever is in God and nothing can exist or be conceived without God.